Own up to it. The power of admitting mistakes. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the intricacies of the English language to help you master it. Today, we're exploring a very common but powerful phrase, own up to something. Understanding this phrase not only enriches your vocabulary but also gives you insight into the cultural attitudes towards accountability and honesty. So, let's get started. To own up to something means to admit or acknowledge that you have done something wrong or made a mistake. It involves taking responsibility for one's actions, especially when it's something you're not proud of. This phrase is often used in situations where honesty and accountability are called for, encouraging individuals to face the consequences of their actions gracefully. Understanding through examples can make it clearer. Let's look at a few. After making a mistake at work, you might say, "I need to own up to my mistake and apologize to my team." In a personal relationship, if you've hurt someone's feelings, you could express, "I want to own up to what I did and say I'm sorry." During school or academic work, if you cheated on a test, it's time I owned up to cheating and accept the consequences. These examples show that owning up to something is a step towards rectifying a wrong and mending relationships affected by our actions. Owning up to your mistakes is crucial for personal growth, building trust, and maintaining healthy relationships. It shows character strength and maturity, as it's often easier to deny or hide our faults. When you own up to something, you are not only respecting those affected by your actions but also respecting yourself by choosing integrity over deceit. In many cultures, owning up to one's actions is a highly valued trait. It's seen as a sign of being responsible and trustworthy. Discussing this phrase provides a window into understanding these cultural values and how they shape interactions and expectations in both personal and professional settings. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the meaning and usage of own up to something. We hope this lesson has highlighted the importance of accountability and honesty in your journey of English language learning and beyond. Remember, admitting to a mistake is not a sign of weakness. It's a courageous step towards making things right. Until next time, keep learning and growing. Goodbye.